Indian army and paramilitary establishments are attempting to camouflage their ongoing military occupation, state terrorism and the use of draconian laws against Kashmiris by pushing fresh propaganda narratives about militancy and so-called infiltration across the line of control. The latest attempt came on Monday when Inspector General of the Border Security Forces Ashok Yadav, while addressing a press briefing in Srinagar, claimed that 69 active launch pads exist across the LOC with around 100 to 120 individuals waiting to infiltrate. Analysts, they say such recurring figures are routinely used by New Delhi to justify its massive troop presence, cordon and search operations, property seizures and riot abuses in the occupied territory. The BSF's claim of dominating the 343-kilometer LOC alongside the revelation of 22 joint operations with other Indian agencies underscored a militarized approach that seeks to normalize aggression while simultaneously deflecting international scrutiny from the reality on the ground. Human rights groups emphasize that briefings laden with militaristic rhetoric are a deliberate tool to obscure the lived experience of Kashmiris who continue to endure raids, arbitrary detentions and confiscation of property under draconian laws like the Public Safety Act, PSA, and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA. These operations then not only entrench Indians' occupation but also systematically suppress political dissent and civil liberties. In effect, the propaganda around militancy and infiltration it serves as a smokescreen, diverting attention from straight preparatory repression and the enduring struggle of the Kashmiri people. It is a calculated narrative aimed at sustaining India's occupation while framing local resistance as a security threat, thereby legitimizing measures that violate international human rights norms.